Perfecto. Perfect. So we know now that the mineral spirits works in all the stains. The only ones that I noticed that it didn't work is on the nail polish and the permanent marker. So I just got another product called acetone that is supposed to be working fantastic. And now Ivan is going to do the experiment and I will continue. Excellent. So now we're going to use, everything worked out fantastic on the mineral water with the exception of the nail polish and the permanent marker, which it didn't work. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. You know something, guys? Forget about the mineral spirits. I absolutely love acetone. Acetone is unbelievable. This is the product. Now let's see right here on on nail polish. We tried with the mineral spirits and it didn't work. No, he just poured it right there. Oh my God, this is the product. Excellent. So now check it out, the permanent market. Fantastic. I just still have some, right? Fantastic. So what I will suggest for now on is to use acetone. Let me see the jar. I want to show them a little bit. Let me see the other side. Yeah. Perfect. Now look at this. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, on the permanent market, we couldn't get out with the step. We just unbelievable. And on this one too. And I also noticed that very little do you use on this one too, Ivan.
Yeah.
And the last one is on this corner. Also, something that I noticed about Ivan that I like is he cleans like this, in this motion, not against the grain. He cleans with the grain. Guys, look at this. Well, we all learned something today. Forget about mineral spirits. Acetone is the product. Thank you very much, guys, for everything, and God bless you all.